Hey everybody, this is Frank Miller with Believe Investment Group. I'm coming to you guys today to talk to you guys about real estate investing. So in real estate investing right now, in this state and in your region, the real estate market is so hot right now. So if you've ever thought about doing real estate, if you've ever thought about investing in real estate, now's the time to jump in and do it. Let me tell you a couple ways that you can make a little bit of money in real estate. You can buy, fix, and flip like you see on TV. You can wholesale properties. Right now, we have students out there in the field that are cashing checks on a weekly basis. So is it something that you'd like to learn? Well, watch this and let me show you what I got going on over here. Follow me this way. So on this property here, we bought this property at a foreclosure sale. We paid $210,000 for it. We put about $25,000 in fix-up. We're still currently in the rehab stages. We're going to sell this property when it's ready in the next 30 days for $299,000. So listen to this. So if you do the math, walking away with about a 60-day project, would you be happy walking away with a $30,000 to $35,000 check in your pocket? Well, I believe you would. And that's why I'm here today. I'm trying to show you guys and teach you guys how this can be done, and ask yourself, why not you? Okay? There's a couple things I want to show you here, so take a look at this. So this here was one deal that we just did yesterday. This property here was a buy, fix, and flip. We purchased the house, and then within 60 days, we walked away with a check just yesterday for an amount of $21,909. Is that something that you're looking to have in your pocket? Would this help you with maybe some student loans, maybe some more family time? Or what about, are you looking to take a little bit more vacations? Does a cruise sound good for you? Okay. Well, what about this next one? And on this one here, the reason why I'm showing you guys this stuff is because this stuff is real. This stuff does work here in your area of town. Okay. So on this one, another buy, fix, and flip. And if you look at the dates on this check, it's only a couple of weeks ago. So on this one, this was a buy, fix, and flip. We purchased the house from a wholesaler. We went in and fixed the property up. And then we listed it on the market, and within a matter of 60 days, we walked away with the closing for a check for $31,853. And like I said, the reason why we're showing you guys this stuff is because this stuff is real and this stuff can be done. So ask yourself, why not you? Okay? So what we got going on is, it's a mentoring and training course, and our first session was last year. Now this is the next one coming up. We've got many students out there right now in the field that are cashing checks on a weekly basis. So what happens is, we have a Saturday session. The Saturday session is a PowerPoint presentation that we bring mentors and investors in to teach you how to do real estate investing. We also have 2 ride-alongs a month, and what we do is we go out in the field, hold your hand, knock on doors, and get deals done. Also, we have a 90-minute webinar monthly. So let me ask you, have you been sitting at home watching those videos on TV, seeing everyone else doing it? Well, think to yourself, that could be you. Quit thinking about it. Jump in. Go check out our website at believeinvestmentgroup.com. My name is Frank Miller. You can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. And some of my students now are doing it. So let me help you take the time to cash a check. Thanks. Yay, nay?
Nice. I loved it.